A nice way to automate DMA is using plugins. Plugins use a special language that is called Lua. This language is created by a university in Brazil. It is developed to be able to create satellite programs around the main program. Therefore, it has the name Lua. That means moon in Portuguese. Lua has many advantages. It has function blocks of code that we can use later as a black box. Once it is working, we only care about what goes in and what goes out. What is happening inside of the function is not important anymore. We also have conditionals. That means that depending on a certain condition, that can be a user input or some state in our show, the plugin will do one thing or another. Loops are very important. Loops allow us to repeat a part of our code many times with different inputs. We use tables to organize all the data that we have in our plugin. DMA uses many tables, for example, for a sequence or the list of all sequences. Finally, we have direct file access. We can read and write to the internal hard drive or to USB devices. In this course, we will explain everything you need to create basic plugins. But if you want more, you can always use the official manual as a resource to find extra information. We need to use it inside DMA. And what DMA has done is that they create some interface so that Lua can communicate with DMA. This interface is called an AP, an Application Program Interface. So with that, we can get to 3 different things that we need to create plugins. The AP, the MA keywords, and we have the Lua language. All these things together we need to create plugins. Inside of the MA there is the plugin editor. We can get some Lua input there. Inside this editor we can also activate the AP description, and here are the keywords that are in the AP of the MA. There are also some Lua examples that we could use to program. These are examples of AP functions and how to use them with Lua. Let's practice this. Let's create a plugin that prints the hello world to the command line history. The AP function to print text in the command line history is printf. Between brackets, you have to enter the text to print. Literal text always has to be between quotes. You can use single quotes or double quotes.